Guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like. So today I'm just going to tell you about the new update about the iPhone Apple new update 18.0. You have a new update like 17.7 and 18.0. Which one you want to just update, you just update. Mine is, you know what, I'm just going to update 18.0. So here we go. Let's go to just update 18.0. Here we go to the phone screen and go to the settings. Here we go to the settings, and then we are at the update, and here is mine is updating. The application is downloading. iOS 18 brings new ways to customize the iPhone experience, reveal special moments, and stay connecting. Customize your iPhone further by arranging your home screen, lock screen, and a control center in all new ways, photos, deliveries, and the biggest redesigns ever to make it even easier to relive your special moments and staying connecting with the friends and the family, and even better with the new ways to experience or express. So I'm just going to skip, and after update you have your iPhone, and there is, look at that, these are settings are the change and the redesigns. These are redesigns, and after in the side in the bottom you have a home screen and a Wi-Fi setting, network setting, Bluetooth AirDrop, and here you have my home upgrade recommendation, add accessories, and here you have the passkey application, one more new application, the password. You have your alt password here, and you can just drag your application and design your home screen where you want to just drag it out. And here is the gallery, and gallery also redesigns, and your memories. Here you have the memories and the different your wallpaper suggestions, memories, time, date, photo collections, each and everything. And your iPhone has been updated to iOS 18.0. So these are a new update 18.0 and a new features and many more. So you just go and update your system software and Apple iOS 18.0. And if you are new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and like.